Alright, so we got another software update. Here you can see version 2022.20.19. And it's going to take about 25 minutes to install, so let's go ahead and install it now. Somebody said if you tap the time it will skip, and there you go. It skipped to 1 second. Nice. So we're going to let this run, and then I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright, it's still going, but obviously you don't want to drive the car while it's updating. The car will start and you can drive, but at any point during the update it could stop, like shut down, and then your car is going to be just rolling. I don't want to mess around and try that, so yeah, just make sure your car is parked for the full update time. Alright, still says update starting. We'll see you guys when something changes. Alright, several minutes later, it's showing this, updating autopilot, driver assistance, and dash cam disabled. Do not drive until complete. Alright, we're going to let it go, and I'll be back when something else changes again. One other thing, just in case you guys were wondering, the camera, or sorry, not the camera, the computer isn't used for everything in the car. I can actually still press this to operate the wipers, as you can see. Alright, I can just press that whenever, and also if I hold it, obviously it sprays out the washer fluid. That's why there's liquid there. Alright, so yeah, I'll see you guys when something else changes. Alright, several minutes later. I don't know if you heard that clunk or if it didn't record in time. My friend's outside inflating his tires, that's why there's that noise if you can hear it. But anyways, updating electronic control units, driving and charging is disabled. Right, do not drive until complete. I wonder if the windshield wiper still works. Nope, nope, it stopped working. So you can see it's completely disabled now. Anyways, we're gonna wait till it finishes or show something new, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. I don't know if I'll be able to get it on camera. The car is randomly making clunking noises, as I think that's like the battery ventilation or something, doors opening and closing. Anyways, still says updating electronic control units, driving and charging is disabled. Again, do not drive until complete. But the little progress bar is moving along. I'll wait a little bit just to see if it makes the clunk sounds. Yeah, it's not predictable when it will make the sound, so I guess I'll just see you guys when something on the screen changes. Alright, see you guys then. Interesting. The mirrors just folded themselves in. Still says it's updating electronic control units. Right, driving and charging disabled. I'm assuming this is still, yep, doing nothing. Making more clunking sounds that I missed. But we'll just wait. I'm assuming I'd be locked in here. I mean, I could probably use the manual open. I don't want to mess with it. I'll just wait till it's done. I guess. Okay, Windows still open and close. Oh, here you go. Finishing update. Driving disabled. Do not drive until complete. Do this work? Oh, still not working with the windshield wipers. Alright. We'll see you guys when it's next screen. Alright, it says rebooting. Driving disabled. Do not drive until complete. So let's see how long it takes to reboot. Shouldn't take too long. Give it some time. Maybe it's going to take longer than expected. Oh, here we go. Screen's off. Wait for it. Should start back up. There we go. Alright, still starting up. Come on. Wow, it's taking a while to boot. Come on. There we go. And it should show the release notes soon. See if anything new is with this update. We're starting again. Oh, still updating. Rebooting. Driving disabled. Do not drive until complete. Oh, there we go. Alright, release notes should pop up on its own. At least that's usually how it works. Let's see. Is it not going to do it? Oh, there we go. It's just slow. Software update complete. I got a notice on my phone as well. Driving, full self-driving beta. This is all the same exact information. Basically, if you had any like dings on your full self-driving beta or suspension, it will reset that, right? Oh no. Okay, so this says the thing about if you're not using it right, it will be suspended. And then here's more release notes. I guess we got 10.69.2.4. I don't remember if that's what it was earlier, or if it was 10.69.2.3. But you can see deep lane guidance, right? 44% lower error rate on lane topology compared to previous model, enabling smoother control. Alright, improved overall driving smoothness. You can pause and read that on your own. Improved unprotected left turns. Added control for arbitrary low speed moving volumes from occupancy network. Alright, upgraded occupancy network to use video instead of images from single time step. Again, you can pause and read all of this if you want. Sorry if I'm going out of view there. Alright, upgraded to a new two-stage architecture to produce object kinematics, velocity, acceleration, yaw rate. Okay. Increased smoothness. Alright, for protected right turns, improving the association of traffic lights with slip lanes versus yield signs with slip lanes. Reduce false slowdowns. Alright, so there's going to be less of those phantom brakings near crosswalks. Improved geometry, error of ego-relevant lanes by 34%. Made speed profile more comfortable and creeping for visibility. Right. Improved recall of animals by 34%, so it's better at seeing animals. Doubles the size of auto-labeled training set. Enabled creeping for visibility at any intersection where objects might cross ego's path. Alright. Improved accuracy of stopping position in critical scenarios with crossing objects by allowing dynamic resolution and trajectory. Optimization to focus on more areas where finer control is essential. Increased recall. Sorry, I'm going out of view. Forking lanes. Improved velocity error for pedestrians and bicyclists by 17%. Right. Improved recall of object detection. Eliminating 26% of missing detections for faraway crossing vehicles by turning the loss function used during tuning the loss function used during training. Okay, improved object future path prediction, so it can kind of more predict where objects will end up. Improved, oops, dang it, where'd it go? And where'd we end up? Okay, no, why does it do that? Okay, Improve speed when entering highway by better handling of upcoming map speed changes. Increasing confidence of merging onto the highway. Sorry, a light turned on there. Reduce latency when starting from a stop by accounting for lead vehicle jerk. Enabled faster identification of red light runners by evaluating their current pneumatic state against their expected braking profile. So now it can kind of detect if somebody's about to run a red light. Press the video record button on the top bar UI to share your feedback. When pressed, your vehicle's external cameras will share a short VIN associated autopilot snapshot. So same stuff as before. All right. Full self-driving beta. I guess this is all the same. You can go ahead and read that. Okay, there you go. Vehicles running Tesla Vision. Tesla Vision also includes some temporary limitations. Follow distance is limited to 2 to 7, and autopilot top speed is 85 miles an hour. Okay. Cabin camera, right? Same stuff as before. So it can determine whether you're paying attention or not, and it will alert you. Okay. But the images don't leave the car, so there's no way to kind of see what's going on there. More cabin camera information. Is that the same? Wait, autopilot improvements. Okay. Anyways. And then cabin camera can determine if you're inattentive and provide you with audible alerts. And it will remind you to keep your eyes on the road. Alright. And then seatbelt enhancement system. I think this is all the same. Alright. There's one feature I've been waiting for, but I don't think they've added that. Anyways. You can see the software here. Alright, so we're on FSD beta 10.69.2.4. And you can see the navigation. Where's the regular? Oh, 2022.20.19. That's the thing we're on. All right. I don't think... Yeah, I still don't get to move this. So when you're on beta, you don't get the updates for the other software. So I think we just get the autopilot beta stuff. Anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.